Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by setting up only what you need. VS Code and Git with SSH so commits work. Once done, choose a single learning path, front end or back end, and commit to one playlist. Make sure to clone the repo for each tutorial and type code along. This forces muscle memory. You should watch short videos, practice immediately, and create a tiny project in the first week to lock concepts instead of passively consuming tutorials. Now you scale from examples to real projects. Pick a medium project and finish it start to finish while following the playlist. While coding, pause videos, reproduce issues, and use dev tools to inspect elements and network requests. This explains why code behaves a certain way. Once comfortable, introduce NPM scripts, bundlers, and basic terminal flows so deployment isn't a mystery. Make sure to commit meaningful checkpoints and write a short README describing your app and how to run it. To finish, deploy your app and make it public so you can share it and get feedback. Continuous deployment on Netlify or Versal is quick. Once deployed, add simple tests and a linter so future edits are safer. If things go wrong, isolate a minimal reproduction, read console and network logs, and search issues before asking for help. Include code snippets and steps to reproduce. Finally, reflect on what you learned and plan the next project to solidify growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.